Jack, rip that door.
What are you doing here?
Getting you out. Here, put this on. You'll need it.
You could get into a lot of trouble for doing this.
Not anymore. Things have changed. It's your father. He needs you.
My father? But he's gone, Anya. He's dead.
No, he's out there. He needs you.
Anya, wait. What the hell's going on? Anya. Wait.
The Locusts have broken through to his house and he called in to say goodbye. Says he's sorry. He says...
Marcus, what in God's name are you doing here? You're going to get yourselves killed, both of you!
Come on, Dad! I've come to get you out of here!
I've got to save my research. Do you understand how important it is?
Dad, keep your head down! Okay, everybody find some cover! Spread out along the wall!
Cover the stairs! Look out! We've got more grub!
Take them out! We gotta give them some time!
It was always his work my father cared about. His research. He tried to save his work. And I tried to save him. I disobeyed orders to do it. But it cost us the battle. I don't blame them for court-martialing me. Or for the life sentence. So the war went on while I was rotting in prison.
There it is! Raven inbound!
Marcus, we've got
I
to
still
go.
couldn't
Come
save
on,
my
Dom,
father.
run!
But you can't save them all.
Now hear this. Marcus Phoenix and Hazard Watch to CIC immediately. Phoenix, Santiago, and Stratton, report to CIC immediately.
Yeah. I heard you the first time.
Hey, Phoenix. You looking for Santiago?
It's okay. I know where to find him.
Lambent stocks detected. Damage response team, muster at hangar deck. All personnel, alert state 2.
Great.
Watch your step, Phoenix. I'll be out of your way in a second.
Come on, Dom. Armor up.
I've got crops to take care of. If we don't grow it, we don't eat it, remember?
I think the radishes can cope without you for a while.
Okay, let's get this over with.
Deck 2, secure all hatches. Sea safety team, close up on Deck 2. Prepare for inbound Raven.
The Raven's coming back. Sam and Cole just took off for supplies.
Huh. Maybe Baird forgot his wallet.
Those stocks give me the creeps.
Yeah, even when they're empty husks. I'm expecting polyps to spew out of them, you know?
You think all the stalks have died off now?
No pilot.
Come on, Jace. Work to do. It's Stock City out there.
All right. Give me a second. Damn, nearly got it that time.
That candy's like 10 years old, man. You're gonna puke your guts up.
Yeah, well, that's a price I'm willing to pay.
Guys, CIC, now.
This is Captain Michelson to all ship's company. We've now entered lambent waters. Go to Alert State 1 and secure for action.
At least the old man still takes the threat seriously. Folks seem to forget how we ended up like this.
Out of sight, out of mind.
Yeah, well, not me. Those damn things are still out there. And I'll be ready for them.
Roger that, Sovereign. KR-01 inbound. Estimated landing in 5 minutes. Secure the deck.
You came between Dom and his radishes, Lieutenant. This better be good.
Good? Probably not. A shock? Yeah. Guess who's come back from the dead?
Do I get a prize if I'm right?
Chairman Prescott.
No shit.
You mean ex-Chairman Prescott?
That asshole. He ran out on us 18 months ago. What's he expecting now, the red carpet?
I'm waiting to find out.
Warship Sovereign.
Hang on.
This is KR-01 requesting permission to land. 1 passenger, Chairman Prescott.
KR-01, this is Sovereign. You are clear to land. Deck team standing by.
Wonder where Prescott managed to find a helicopter. He sure as hell didn't leave with one.
He never called, he never sent flowers.
Oh, I can't wait to hear this shit.
I'll get the popcorn.
Damn, those stocks are gonna do some real damage one day.
Nash, get out of there! They're behind you, Nash! Action stations! Plan for an attack, starboard bow. Unidentified variant.
Unidentified variant?
KR-01 is Sovereign. Is aboard.
You. Come on, people. Let's get up there.
Where we can.
What the hell is that? I haven't seen that shit before. They blow up just the same.
Come on, get him off the ship! All clear.
Sovereign to KR-01, you are clear to land. The forward lift is being raised for you. Stand by.
Copy that, Sovereign.
Bet he strolls back in here like nothing happened.
Better park that nice new Raven carefully.
Let's give the traditional stranded welcome. Strip the chopper for parts.
You think he knows that the cog fell apart after he disappeared?
You think he cares? Chairman Prescott, welcome to what's left of the cog.
I'll have answers for you, ladies and gentlemen. But later. I need to see Colonel Hoffman immediately.
Hoffman's been gone almost as long as you have, Chairman.
He's dead?
He left to take a group of civilians to Anvilgate. Captain Michelson's the senior officer now. Not that we have much of a military left.
I'd better talk to the gallant captain then. I have a mission for him.
Oh, and Sergeant Phoenix, you'll want to see this.
This better not be a shopping list. Let's go check it out.
Who the hell does that asshole think he is?
Prescott's gonna find out an ex-chairman doesn't count for shit with Michelson.
Action stations. Lambert have boarded the ship.
We just
are
stood
under
down.
attack.
Shit, they're attacking in waves!
Let's go, people! Sooner we kill these things, sooner we get to CIC and find out what's so important on this goddamn disc.
So which idiot said he wanted to see some action for a change?
Well, I'm from three.
Ship's company, remain at action stations until we are clear of Lambent waters.
Yeah, good idea. Let's get upstairs and see what's on the disc.
There. Finally got it.
Marcus, if you get this message, if you're still alive, I need your help.
Oh,
This
God.
time I really am asking
Marcus.
for your help. Please.
It's your father.
Listen.
Yeah, I
It's
noticed.
complicated and I don't have much
Wait,
time.
but I thought he...
Leave it, Jace.
I'm being held prisoner by the Locust. I've developed a solution for the Lambent problem. They think they can use it to kill humans as well, but they don't realize...
Marcus, he knows about the Lambent. And he looks older than when
Then when we saw him die, I know. If he's still alive, I've got to find him. Any way to tell when this was recorded?
There's no date code. Hang on.
They don't realize that it won't save the Locust. Sarah's dying, Marcus. The whole planet's infected. It's the emotion that's killing it. It was always the emotion, you see, and I can stop it. I understand it all now. I've tried to contact her over the years, but I've been helped.
Damn machine. Baird's never here when you need him.
Brace! 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 Brace for impact!
I'll figure out a way to decode the rest of that disc, Marcus. We'll find it.
Come on! Everybody get out there and finish these assholes!
This is the chairman.
Great, now he wants coffee.
I'm under attack in the captain's cabin. Michelson's badly wounded. I can't hold them off alone. We require immediate assistance.
Prescott, this is Phoenix. Hold on, we're coming. Come on, move it. We gotta get down there. Prescott can't handle this on his own.
Another dead Chloe!
They breached the deck below. Come on, let's get down there.
Nuts. them before they get below deck!
Lambert!
Trages! Piece of shit!
Fire in the hole!
Nice! Get a move on! We've got to help Prescott! Anyone near the lift controls? Raise the deck lift!
You got it, Phoenix!
Fire! 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 Fire in the galley flat! Fire control team to the galley flat!
One glowing!
Sovereigns are all KR units off ship. We are under heavy Lambent attack. The ship has been...
There's a fire! Grab the extinguisher! Let's get these fires under control!
Prescott better not be dead. Not yet.
Prescott, keep your fucking head down! Nuts!
You must take off! Why not? We'll find someone to do it! Oh, very well. Stand by.
Michelson's gone.
Phoenix, get down to the hangar. The helicopters are under attack. We need to get them airborne right away.
Are you wounded?
Yes, but
Then you stay here, and you don't move until we get back. Understood?
I'll try not to get myself killed, Sergeant.
Yeah, you do that. I'm not the conversational type. But when I get back, I want a nice long chat.
I'll come back and give you first aid as soon as we've got the choppers away, okay?
We should have handcuffed him to a pipe. In case he does another disappearing act.
He's not going anywhere without his chopper.